In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize Instagram account. So first go to your profile here, then click at the top right, and now you're going to scroll down all the way until you see account type and tools. Here you want to select switch to professional account, click next, and here you can just it's suggesting your category as a profile. Are you a blogger or a community or digital creator? So let's just choose the digital creator and let's click switch to professional account. Now you're gonna just choose creator and next, and here it's just gonna ask me simplify how you access your account. I'm just gonna skip this for now, and here it's asking for more details, so I'll do this later, so I'll just click the X button. So after you switch to professional account, you're gonna see professional dashboard, so click on that, and then you're gonna go down and let's scroll all the way down here. Let's go back into professional dashboard again, and then you're gonna go into the settings at the top right, and here you're gonna click monetization status. So here you can see whether you are eligible to be monetized. Here it's saying you're able to be monetized because you're following all the policies. So after that you can just go back, and then you're gonna go here to tools. Let's go back here and see where I can go to tools, add tools. So once you're in add tools, actually go back here. Once you're in this place, you can go to branded content, and here you can select what type of brands you would like to promote and what kind of ad settings you'd like to set. So here you can set up branded content tools, and this is basically a guide on what to do and what not to do. So from there you can just easily maneuver through this section, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.